Imagine having a 24/7 sales assistant that never sleeps, never takes breaks, and qualifies your leads while you binge watch Netflix. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. And I'm about to show you how to set this up in less than 10 minutes. Let's face it, most of us treat our contact pages like an afterthought, but here's a wake-up call. Did you know that 64% of your visitors actively look for your contact information when they land on your site? By neglecting this crucial touch point, you're potentially leaving money on the table. So how are we going to make your contact page different from the other Shopify store contact pages? We're going to use AI. And it's not just AI, we're going to use AI-powered smart contact forms. So the very first thing you need to do is you need to choose an AI chatbot platform that integrates seamlessly with Shopify. Now you can choose options like Mobile Monkey or Tidio. These are really great places to start. Next, you need to design a conversation flow that gathers key customer information. You can kind of think of it as a virtual salesperson asking the right questions at the right time. And finally, you need to set up automatic routing based on inquiry type. This ensures that each query gets to the right person or department, speeding up response times dramatically.
Customer experience is important, but it's even better when combined with higher sales. Tidio combines live chat and chatbot tools to help you provide superb customer service and generate more sales. Thanks to our simple installation process, you can have Tidio up and running on your website within just 5 minutes. Don't believe it? Give us a try. Once Tidio is installed, you can start discovering features that will bring you more leads, more sales, and save you time by automating all of your repetitive tasks. Still not convinced? Have a look at the numbers. Did you know that 3 million businesses using Tidio have generated 20 million leads and $400 million in sales after they started using our chatbots? Tidio will increase your sales and return on investment by triggering bots at the right time. You can choose one of our pre-designed chatbot templates or build your own bots with our easy-to-use visual chatbot editor. Our bots are ready for any scenario. Would you like to convince your customers to buy your products? Offer them a small discount inside the shopping cart with our Cart Booster bot. Maybe you wish to sell more by recommending some hot deals and cross-sell offers. Our product recommendation bot is here for you. Do most of your customers abandon their carts before finalizing a purchase? Put a stop to that with our Abandoned Cart Saver by offering a discount. Those are just a few examples, but you can get more than just chatbots with our smart AI response bots. With our AI response bots, you will understand how your customers communicate, learn from past conversations, and deliver the best possible answers every time. Save your time and start making informed business decisions.
Now, I'm going to be straight with you. There's a little bit of a learning curve with this, but I guarantee you, if you try this and you activate on your Shopify store, you'll see your conversions and your sales increase. So quick question for you. What was the last memorable contact page you've seen in the last 7 to 14 days? Leave the actual link or leave the name of the website in the comments below. I'd love to hear that. And also check out the description in this video where we show you how to actually create some of the custom pages like this one that we're going through now. By implementing an AI-powered contact form, you're not just improving lead quality, you're offering 24/7 availability, creating personalized shopping experiences, and ultimately boosting those all-important conversion rates. Now, before you go, I've got a really cool tip for you. Test your contact form regularly to ensure it's working flawlessly. I can't tell you how many times I've been to a store's contact pages and it's not working, or you press, you enter your details, you press the submit button and then nothing happens. So make sure you test it regularly. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.